Hello, and welcome to another episode from the YouTube channel English with Altaf. I'm Ikra, and I'm really happy to be here today. In this video, we'll talk about something many English learners experience feeling nervous while speaking English. Yes, that feeling when your heart beats fast.
Hi everyone, I'm Altaf. Thanks for tuning in. You're not alone if your heart races when you speak English. Today, Ikra and I will discuss why this happens and how we can overcome it, using simple language and helpful tips.
Altaf, let's begin with a simple question. Have you ever felt nervous while speaking English?
Absolutely, Ikra. I remember when I first started learning English. I used to feel very shy and scared. My heart would beat fast, my hands would sweat, and sometimes I would even forget simple words. It was a tough time.
That's very relatable. I also had similar feelings, especially when someone asked me a question in English suddenly. I knew the answer in my mind, but I couldn't speak quickly. I would feel embarrassed.
Yes, that's very common. Many students feel the same way. Their mind is full of English sentences, but fear blocks their tongue. The heart starts beating fast because the body thinks something dangerous is happening.
Right. It's like a fear of being judged. Many learners think, what if I make a mistake? Or, what if they laugh at me? These thoughts make the heart beat faster and the voice shakier.
Exactly, Ikra. This is called speaking anxiety. It's the fear of speaking in a second language. But the good news is it's totally normal, and we can reduce this fear with some helpful strategies.
Yes, let's talk about those strategies. First, I think the most important thing is practice. When we speak English more often, we get used to it. Slowly, our mind stops seeing it as a threat.
Very true. And practice doesn't mean talking only in front of others. You can start by speaking to yourself. For example, describe your day in English, talk in front of a mirror, or record your voice.
That's a great idea. Another helpful way is to prepare some sentences before speaking. If you know you are going to a meeting, prepare your introduction. This gives you confidence and helps your heart stay calm.
Yes, preparation really helps. I also suggest learners to use simple sentences. Many people try to use advanced words to impress others, but that makes things more difficult and increases nervousness.
Absolutely. There's nothing wrong in using simple and clear English. Fluency is not about using difficult words. It's about expressing your thoughts smoothly.
Another important point is to focus on communication, not perfection. The purpose of a language is to connect. If people understand you, you are successful even if there are small mistakes.
That's a powerful reminder. We all make mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes, but they don't stop speaking. So why should we?
Exactly. I also tell my students to change their mindset. Instead of thinking I'm going to fail, think this is my chance to improve. A positive attitude reduces fear and calms your heartbeat.
Yes, and breathing helps too. When you feel nervous, take a deep breath before speaking. It relaxes your body and gives you a few seconds to think clearly.
Breathing is a simple but powerful trick. Also, smiling while speaking helps. It not only makes you look confident, but also tricks your brain into feeling relaxed.
I love that tip. Smiling really helps. Another thing that helped me was watching English movies and repeating dialogues. It improved my pronunciation and gave me confidence to speak.
Yes, watching and listening is a great way to learn. It makes you more familiar with how English sounds, and repeating those lines builds muscle memory in your mouth.
Also, talking to friendly people helps. If you have a friend or teacher who doesn't judge you, speak with them often. This safe space lets you grow without fear.
Exactly. A supportive environment is very important. If you're always scared of being corrected in a bad way, you'll never feel free to speak.
I agree. And don't compare yourself with others. Everyone learns at their own speed. Some people learn quickly and others take more time. That's okay.
Yes. Comparison creates pressure. Instead, compare yourself with the past version of you. If you can say one sentence today that you couldn't say last month, that's progress.
Wow, that's so encouraging. Altaf, do you think learners should join speaking groups?
Definitely. Speaking groups are great. You meet other learners, make mistakes together, and grow faster. It also teaches you how to listen and respond, which is a key part of conversation.
Yes, and it makes learning fun. English shouldn't feel like a punishment. It should feel like a tool for enjoying life, music, movies, and friendships.
Exactly. Once you enjoy the language, your fear will start to disappear, and slowly your heart will stop beating fast when you speak.
That's the goal. To speak English with confidence and comfort. Even if we feel a little nervous, we keep going. And with time, we improve.
Well said, Ikra. So, dear listeners, let's now quickly recap what we've learned in this video.
We talked about how many learners feel nervous and their heart beats fast while speaking English. We discussed the reasons behind it and shared easy tips to overcome this fear.
Yes, we learned that practice, preparation, positive thinking, simple language, breathing, smiling, and friendly conversation all help us become more confident speakers.
Mistakes are normal. Don't be afraid of them. Focus on communication and enjoy the learning journey.
Exactly. Keep practicing, stay positive, and speak English every day, even a little. You will surely improve.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope this conversation was helpful to you.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel English with Altaf for more easy and helpful lessons.
See you in the next video. Until then, stay confident and keep speaking English.
Take care and goodbye.